Hello students, now we will learn how to do the finite element modeling of two-dimensional region with the help of triangular elements. If you see the figure, here we have a region which is meshed with the help of triangular elements. Each triangular element will have 3 nodes and 3 sides. This circled figure will indicate the element number, whereas these numbers are node numbers. Now in this figure we have some unfilled region, unfilled area, and we can fill this area by using a smaller elements or by using a isoparametric elements which will able to capture the boundaries of the region. Now in this case, in the 2D, each node is permitted to displace in a 2 direction x and y. That is, it will have 2 degrees of freedom. Now at node 1 we can say that u1 as a displacement in x direction and v1 as a displacement in y direction. Then the global displacement vector can be given by this equation, where u is equal to in bracket u1 v1 comma u2 v2 comma u3 v3 up to un by 2 vn by 2 transpose, and where n is the number of degrees of freedom. Now here we can understand how the element connectivity table is prepared. We will consider one isolated element as shown in figure like this. Now which is having node numbers 1, 2 and 3. The nodal coordinates are represented by the number of nodes and derives in x and y direction. So here you can see u1 v1, u2 v2, u3 v3 are the displacements at node 1, 2, 3 respectively. That means node number 1, 2 and 3 will form the element which is numbered as a 1. Can have a element connectivity table like this, a element number E1 that is equal to having 3 nodes 1, 2 and 4 connected together. Now to understand this, we will see the previous figure. So from this figure you will understand how element connectivity table is prepared. Like for element number 1 we have node numbers 1, 2 and 4. Similarly for element number 2 we have the node numbers 2, 4, 7. So like this we can able to prepare the element connectivity table for each element up to the last element 20 with 13, 16 and 15 as a node numbers. These numbers are global node numbers, whereas this will represent the local node numbers. So in this way we can discretize the two-dimensional region with the triangular elements or any other type of elements, and we can give the node numbers and element numbers as per the requirement.